Welcome guys back to another video, and welcome back to an awesome day on the vlog. So we start out today with Chloe buying a whole chicken yesterday.
I didn't realize what I did.
So we went to a place called Stearns in Charlton. I think I've brought you guys there before.
Oh.
And she ordered What'd you order? Or what do you mean to order?
I meant to order like chicken breast or something, but it apparently said whole chicken.
You did say whole chicken.
Oh no, I have to take the bones out.
So that's how our day is. Well, that's how we're starting our day with you guys, because it's currently 3:33 in the afternoon. We actually just got back from grocery shopping somewhere else, and we bought a Guaxilla. Focus. We got another Guaxilla 2.0. And that is because my dad and I were going to start casting Hot Wheels in epoxy resin. We made a mold for it last night out of plywood. So we're going to try to start doing that and see if we can't come up with some pretty cool ideas. So hopefully that'll come out as good as I'm thinking in my head. Sometimes my ideas don't come out as great as I wanted to. Which, with that being said, if you guys would be interested in getting some of these cars, depending on what we have, leave a comment down below and we can work something out, like shipping, whatever. I do eventually want to sell them, depending on like what cars they are and how much I think they can go for. But if you guys are interested in any of these cars in the future, let me know and I can we'll arrange something for shipping and all that stuff. Alright, so here is the time of the video you guys have been waiting for. Chloe's right here next to me. She doesn't want to be on camera because that's... What? She doesn't want to be on camera because that's completely... I still can't even say it. That's completely alright because she's in her bum clothes. So we're going to keep her out of the shot. I'm going to put you guys on this guy real quick, and then we get into the moment you guys have been waiting for. Alright guys, so a little bit of recap on last weekend's video. The best car that we got was the Maserati MC12. We got a lot of repeats. We got some newer cars, but nothing was as important as the Maserati MC12. I do, for whatever reason, save the boxes, the empty boxes. Chloe doesn't know why. I don't know why, but I do. I just kind of threw the extra cards in here. Gently tossed, I should say. So we're going to clear all these guys out of the way and get to opening up 10 boxes for tonight. Alright, so here we go. 2, 5, 7, 10. We're going to throw that over here. You know what? We might do 11 tonight just so that I don't have one sitting in a box. But we'll find out at the very end of this video to see if I do in fact open up that last one. And later on guys, I am going to be bidding on another lot of 20 cars. This lot of 20 cars is actually a few different cars, a few different years. So we might get some 2007, we might get a 2008, and some 2009 Hot Wheels cars. But here we go, box number 1 for tonight. This one's already open a little bit, not a big deal. I did get a sneak peek.
It's not the first box, honey.
It's not?
No, do you see how there's 10 there?
I was just kidding about that. I was just okay. So here we go with box number 1 for tonight.
God.
Yeah, I feel kind of stupid about that, but oh well.
Everybody has their moments.
Hope you guys are laughing with me and not at me. If you're laughing at me, then oh well. So box number 1 for tonight, we have another Maserati MC12.
And that time it wasn't the same one.
It's not focusing, but you guys saw the first one. That's funny. You really can't even make that stuff up.
Why does it say instant win?
I don't know. It's 12 years past date anyways, so it doesn't really matter, but that's a good question. Box number 2. Boom! So this is a repeat from one of our last videos.
Cover the whole screen so they can't see over there with your hand. No.
What are you talking about?
With your hand.
What? I don't know what you're trying to say. Focus.
So
There we go.
See how you covered most of the background?
Yeah. So this is another repeat. It looks like the Lamborghini Terzo Millennium. It's called Side Drift, for those of you who don't know.
Chance to win daily, 60 prizes and all, including go-kart, camcorders, and more. It's easy.
Woo!
Peel sticker on front behind car. What?
Here we have another Sand Stinger.
Can I have the car?
Yeah. Which one was it? Oh, this one. There's no sticker on it. Woo!
Son of a biscuit.
So this one's called the Sand Stinger. This is a four-wheeler. Of course, you guys can tell that. Or ATV, as some people call it.
Peel sticker on front behind car.
Maybe it's talking about the... Yeah, that.
Oh, look!
Oh, wow. Here, before you kill it, let me show them. Oh, this is a new one, I believe. That's pretty cool. Got the flames on the side of it. This one...
This was like super rare.
This one actually does not have a name on it.
Contest runs from 10/1/2006 to 11/29/2006.
So we did miss out on that contest, unfortunately.
Only by 13 years.
So this is a brand new car. We do not have one of these yet. Super cool. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a name. I'm sure it's some kind of a actual classic car. So this is the sticker that you have to peel to win. Of course, we're 13 years past
But you have to enter the code, so it's not even like a, oh, we would know if we won or not.
Focus. Focus. There we go. Who knows? Maybe we'll go into Hot Wheels and find out.
Well, no, because the contest is over.
Oh, we'll see what kind of message we get. This is another repeat. Nothing significant. This one is called Ballistic. Nothing exciting at all. This one I think is either on its side or it's in a wrapper. We do have quite a few cards that are in a wrapper. I do want the animated Batman series, Batmobile. We have not got that one yet. Yep, it is definitely a wrapper. Hopefully it's not the same one that we've gotten multiple times. And it's the Batmobile, I think.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Keep it in the frame so I can see you undo it.
That's definitely the Batmobile. Very cool. I like that. It's different. Hold on. Just gotta confirm. DC Comics. Yep, Batmobile.
Cool!
So that's very, very cool, guys.
I like the way it looks, a little blue accents on it.
Yeah. It doesn't look like it opens up like I thought it, or I would hope it did. But that's still pretty cool, guys. That's one I would definitely keep.
I love how right before you said that you wanted it to.
I know. Here we have another repeat. Not a very big fan of this car. Just, I've never really been a fan of the orange and blue paint scheme. I just don't think it goes well together.
I think the lighter blue and the orange goes well.
Yeah, I do like. I like the lighter blue and the orange. I don't like this shade of blue. But it's called the Chaparral 2D. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But if I'm not,
what does this say?
Oh well. Malaysia.
Thank you.
This one isn't a wrapper, so maybe, just maybe, we'll get another Batman or Batmobile. Nope, we have like 5 or 6 of these cars, I want to say. So really nothing too interesting, unfortunately. Here we are, car number 9 of tonight, or whatever, for tonight. I think I just saw another repeat. Hopefully not. Oh, another Maserati MC12. Wow. Doing good tonight, guys.
We haven't had any more Bugattis though.
You know, that's all right. I mean, the Bugattis are cool, but I'd rather get these. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I know what I'm trying to say, but I just can't say it. If we don't get any more Bugattis, we at least get the Maseratis, which I'm okay with.
There's a lot of these Hot Wheels, aren't they? Aren't there? The mystery ones.
I don't know how many were made exactly, but so far there is a lot. And I believe this is our third one for tonight. Second or third, I don't know. Yeah, that's our third, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know, maybe not. Second
8,
one.
9, 10.
Second one for tonight.
Do the 11th car.
I think we will do the 11th car. Was that the last one?
Yeah, that was the last one.
Alright. So, guys, we will do the 11th car for
Bonus
tonight.
car.
Bonus car. Let's see what we get. Aww, that's so disappointing.
You get so many of those suckers.
That's so disappointing. That's alright. So yeah, we have a ton of these Volkswagen Bugs. But the most important thing is we got 2 Maserati MC12s.
2 more Maserati ones.
That's right, 2 more Maserati MC12s. We got a total of 3 of these, and I believe we have 3 or 4 of the Bugattis. So, I'm going to stop the video here for now. We will be back in about
40 minutes.
40 minutes to hopefully win that, the auction of 20 more Hot Wheels for you guys. And I actually just did order something else from, from the T-Fox brand tonight. I can't tell you guys what it is. There we go. I can't tell you guys what it is. You're gonna have to stay tuned the next 5 or so days. When it comes in, I will show you guys. I'm actually super upset about what I missed out on last night because I didn't watch Tanner's vlog. I would have loved to have it in the collection. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put a picture of it right here. I have no words. It would have been really cool to have the edition, but it is what it is. Hopefully he'll come out with something like that in the future, but we will see you guys back here in 40 minutes to see if I win this next auction. Alright guys, it's that time where my heart starts beating out of its chest uncontrollably again. We've got 2 minutes and almost 2 minutes and 10 seconds until this lot of 20 cars goes up for sale, or well, it's for sale now, but you know what I mean. 2 minutes. Oh my god. Hopefully we get, hopefully we get all these cars, because well, we just ran out of cars tonight. So a minute 50 seconds and you guys will see this stuff go down. Yeah. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Woo! Let's see. So it's going up by 50-cent increments. Time 40 seconds. I'll go 32.50 just in case. Got 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. $20 seconds.
You can feel your heart beat through your arm.
Oh my god.
No changes.
Don't keep refreshing it. You gotta wait till it loads.
I am every time it.
10 seconds.
Oh, okay.
8.
4 seconds.
Yeah, buddy. We got it.
How much you get it for?
We got it, guys.
$24.50.
We got it for $24.50. Yeah, buddy. Pay now, and I'm going to take the camera away so you guys can't get my credentials. Guys, we freaking got it. And, of course, it's free pickup, but I'm not about to travel to Wisconsin to pick this up, so... Yes. So the total is $36.45 for this entire lot. Really not too much more than I paid last. What did I pay last time? Like $27?
I don't remember.
I think I paid $27 for the lot for the rest of the cars that we just opened up tonight. So hell yeah, guys! Smash that thumbs up button. We have more cars coming very soon. I just paid the order. So yeah, like I just said, smash that thumbs up button. We really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The nicer weather's finally coming, thank God. But with that being said, it is almost April, and it does rain a lot up here in the north during the April month of April. But we're gonna be creating more content for you guys, so be sure to stick around for that. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We just got a subscriber yesterday. I don't know who you are because your account is private. That's alright. I appreciate the subscription anyways. If you guys want a subscriber shout out, I will put your name somewhere over here on the screen. I don't know where it'll be exactly, but you guys will get subscriber shout out if you do hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Suggest some newer content for us to make for you guys. What you guys may be interested in. If you guys want us to keep doing the Hot Wheels series or, you know, whatever else. If it's within reason, we will do it. But we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Alright guys, so I snaked you. I actually decided to go back onto my eBay real quick and see what other Hot Wheels that may be coming up in the future. And when I clicked on this one, there was only 4 minutes left. The current bid is $20.50. I'm going to put in 26. No, I'm gonna go $26. We have 20 seconds left. Oh baby, can we get 2 for 2 tonight? We will find out here shortly. 10 seconds. Oh my god, my heart's racing again. Holy.
Look, yours is faster than mine.
Yes, we did. Oh my god, we did it again, guys. Oh, we did it again. And once again,
I got it for $21.50.
Yeah, I got it for $21.50. So I got it for $4, $5. What did I put in? 26?
Yep, $5 less than you put.
$5. I already forgot what I put it in for. I wasn't paying attention. So we got it for $5 less than planned. This one is actually only going to run me $30.95. So guys, we have 10 more cars coming. We have a total of 30 cars. So we got 3 more weeks of the Hot Wheels series, which right now I don't even know if I'm going to call it series because we're just I thoroughly enjoy doing this, whether it's for you guys or for myself. I thoroughly enjoy doing this. I hope you guys do too. But this is a bonus video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And now we will see you guys next time.